Ladies and gentlemen, today we're taking a joyride back to the disco decade, when mustaches were bold, seatbelts optional, and gas was cheaper than your morning coffee. Meet the 1976 Airstream Argosy Motorhome, the painted Airstream that proved not everything silver had to shine to be brilliant. Now let's talk about the Argosy, Airstream's rebellious cousin, who showed up to the family reunion in bell-bottoms and paint instead of polished aluminum. Built in Versailles, Ohio, the Argosy line was Airstream's answer to buyers who wanted the brand's legendary craftsmanship without selling a kidney. I believe this 26-foot, 7.9-meter motorhome was the perfect balance between affordability and luxury back in its day, and still turns heads faster than a disco ball at Studio 54. Under the hood sits a Chevrolet 454 cubic inch, 7.4-liter engine, V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. It's not going to win drag races, but it'll climb hills with the confidence of a man who's never read the gas gauge. The Argosy rides on a Chevrolet truck chassis, fitted with 19.5-inch wheels wrapped in 225/70 Dynatrac tires installed in 2021. The braking setup is classic old school, front discs, rear drums, and a prayer if you're heading downhill too fast. The exterior is finished in warm white and brown, with wraparound panoramic windows that make every road look like a movie set. Inside, it's pure 1970s charm, wood veneer, orange velvet upholstery, and just enough chrome trim to blind you at sunset. I like the most how the layout feels cozy yet functional. 2 captain's chairs up front, a sofa for lounging or regretting life's choices, and a compact kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, propane fridge, and stainless sink. The wet bath includes a toilet, sink, and shower with hot and cold water, because apparently people in the 70s liked comfort too. At the rear, you've got a double bed surrounded by cabinetry that smells faintly of nostalgia and varnish. There's also a heater, privacy curtains, and fresh and gray water tanks discreetly tucked under the bed. I think whoever designed this rig really knew how to make the most of 26 feet of freedom on wheels. This specific 1976 Argosy spent 46 years with its original owner in Pennsylvania before being bought in 2022. It's in good, usable condition, the kind that makes you want to take it out on the highway and wave at modern RV owners tapping on their touchscreens. As of now, it's for sale out of Cape St. Clair, Maryland, and while prices vary depending on condition, examples like this typically go for around $18,000 to $25,000, roughly $16,700 to €23,200. I believe the Argosy represents something you just can't download or upgrade. Personality. It's the kind of RV that tells a story every time you turn the key. And if you ever see one rolling by, give it a nod. That's not just a motorhome, it's American history with a V8 heartbeat. And hey, before you roll on to the next video, if you'd like to keep CampAvto running smoother than a freshly tuned carburetor, become a sponsor for just $1. The link's down below, because let's be honest, that's less than what you paid for your last bad cup of gas station coffee.